Hi, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a factor analysis or panel data in EViews. So this new version of EViews can do can make an index even if you have a panel data. So I am showing you one data file where there are 29 cross sections between 2014 and 22. So I will select some variables for which I need to make an index. So I will select first variable and then second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. There are six variables. These are six variables for institution quality, and the logic behind is that all of them are actually instruments to measure institution quality. If I use them separately, all of them together, it's more likely that they will lead to collinearity. How we can open a group and we can try to have a look at its correlations. So in the covariance analysis, I will look for its correlations. So you can notice that their correlations are very high, like RL and CC are 98% collinear, and there are many high correlations here. So it means that you cannot use them technically together in one regression model. And if you want to do it separately for each, then you have to do 6 models. So what we can do is that we can make an index and use that index as a variable and then reverse calculate using the loadings how each individual index is, each individual instrument out of 6 is causing the dependent variable via the index. So what you have to do is open them as a group. So I've shown the variables here. You can notice in the backside that the cross sections are, this is a panel data because the first term is a cross section and second term is a year. Now you go in proc and make principal components. So when you do it, you have to name the variable which you want to store. So series name is inst index, institution index. You want to store a factor loading if you want. So loading 1, loading 1 1. I will just randomly name them eigen val 1 1, eigen vector 1 1. So you can have any name because there are many other variables that are already been made in the model. So I've added 1 1 just to differentiate. So you can do normalized loadings, you can use normalized scores, you can do all the settings that you want to try, and then okay, so then you can use covariance method, or if the data is ordinal, you can use any other type of correlations. Okay, and if you want to do a weightage in the covariance options if you want. So when I do it, it will show me data here. This is the data for index, and if I close it, I can see it's loading values. So let's open the loading. So loading 1 1 is another file. Loading 1 1, this is the factor loading. All of them has these loading values. You want to see eigenvalues. These are the eigenvalues. So only one of them is above 1, so it means one index is suitable. So you can make a column chart or line chart here. So to make the scree plot if you want. And then there is eigenvector, this. So this is the index for eigenvector for the index. Now what you want to see is that how the index is similar. So I will select the index first and then select the variables again. And open them as a group. So there are 7 variables now. So if I go for correlations again, if I check for correlations using covariance analysis, uncheck the covariance, check for correlation, you will see that the index is highly correlated with the item. So it means it is representing them. So you can use this variable instead of 6 of them. And then if you want to reverse calculate, you can use the eigenvalues, you can use the loadings to explain how the individual item is explaining the dependent variable if your index is independent variable. Thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe for more videos related to data analysis. Thank you.